Hello everyone, it's Sally, aka Crafting Gal Sal, and I'm here with another real quick little video to show you how I put together this cute little purple happy birthday card. And I had a crafty friend of mine wondering how to get this ripped paper effect on that paper. So just quickly, I'm going to show you how to do it. I've already got my paper cut. I'm using just a solid, real pretty purple base background color. And this is cardstock. This is also cardstock. It's from a paper pad. Let me get it out here. This paper pad right here with pretty watercolor designs on it. And these are also cardstock. So anyway, that's what I'm using for my ripped paper. And the dimensions are, the dark purple is cut at 5 1/4 inch by 4 inches. And the light purple, this one, is cut at 5 inches by 3 3/4 inches. And then you just tear the edges. So I just pull towards me, and I kind of use my fingernails behind the paper and my thumb on the front to kind of guide where I want to rip. And I just kind of rip in a random fashion. If you want real straight rips, you just kind of have to try to guide it with your finger more to get it straight. I kind of like it crooked and wavy and more natural, as though somebody just grabbed it and ripped it out of a book. So that's it. That's how you do it. And then I just take my fingers and rub around the edges to kind of get it to roll forward. It's a real easy, simple way to add some really interesting, cool effects to your card fronts. It's so easy to do, and anybody can do it. And you can pretty much do it with any kind of cardstock, I think. You can probably do it with regular paper too. Just give it a try. As you can see, I'm kind of using my fingernail too to get it to roll up a little bit. But anyway, there's the ripped paper, and then I'll put it down on my page like that. But first I'm going to add some ribbon to it. This ribbon, I think I just bought it at the Dollar Tree when they had a bunch of stuff for Easter. So I'm going to be tying ribbon around about like that. No exact measurements going on here with the ribbon tying. So now here I go again. This is not fun with arthritis hands, I've discovered. It's like you're learning how to tie all over again. What is that all about anyway? Look at me, I can't even hold on to the ribbon. I hope your day is going well. My husband and I just finished running around. We had to go to Lowe's to get some things for his work. He's retired, but he still does handyman and some light construction work for people on the side. So we were doing that, ran to Lowe's. I've got some buttons here, and I decided on this one that I would just use this cute little button. The original ones that I did, I ran out of these buttons, but it doesn't matter. They're all cute and they work. So again, I'm just going to take this ribbon and try my best to get it through the hole. And what I ought to do is pause the video, because y'all don't need to painstakingly watch me try to do this. This is no fun. So anyway, I'm going to pause the video and I'll be right back to finish decorating the card. Okay, I'm back, and I'm ready to put this one on my card. I just ran the ribbon through both sides, and then I'm going to come here and tie it on. I like having the little loose loose ends of the ribbon kind of jutting out from behind the flower, so just like that. And then trim it up a little bit, kind of snip it at an angle here and there. You can keep them as long as you want them. I've already made my happy birthday sentiment on just some white cardstock. I used this die cut and put it on the white cardstock and ran it through my little Sizzix Big Shot. And I bought this, came in a set of all these different sizes of rectangles. And I think I ordered that through Wish, and it was very, very inexpensive. But I'm real happy with those. I put two-sided foam tape. This is the tape that I buy from Dollar General. And I've already got that on there, so I'll just peel the backing off. And I realized I want this a little higher on the card, so I'm just going to pull it up like that. And then try to center this with the bottom half of the paper. And I think that looks nice. Then the next thing I'll do is glue it to my dark purple background. And I just think it really pops. I love the way this looks. Now, I was saying yesterday in one of my Facebook groups that I was done with the purple, but then I decided to give away a set of 3 of these cards. So I thought, oh, I need to make some more because I just love purple. Purple's one of my favorite colors. Trying to get the pin back in that. Okay. So now I'll try to get that on there centered with my glue, and again just kind of rub my fingers around those edges to get them to roll up. And now it's ready to go on my card base. Again, this is an A2 size. It's my favorite size. It's pretty much the only size I ever make other than the mini cards. I love making mini cards too. So there's my glue. And just like that, we have a birthday card. Try to get it on there straight. Look at there. And then the only other thing that I would do to this card is add a little stitching. I would use my white Signo, Uniball Signo white pen and go around the outside edge with some stitching. And then I would get some gems, little purple gems to put on the corners, and I'm done. So there's a cute little purple happy birthday card. And I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope that you learned a new technique that you can use on your cards. So until the next time, happy crafting. Bye.